guys, what's up? Jason here from PremiereAviationHD and ShareAviation.com, and it feels like it's been forever since I've been able to do a cockpit video for you guys, and thank you so much for your patience. The episode that you're about to watch is an introduction to a brand new airplane. I'm really excited to tell you guys about that. I was able to purchase a Cherokee 140. It's November 6221 X-ray, and this episode will be your introduction to the airplane. It's a really cool platform. Really excited about being able to be an aircraft owner for the first time. And anyway, so I just wanted to let you know I'm splitting this episode into two pieces, and here's why. It was a cross country from Pogue Airfield, close to Tulsa International, out to Clinton Regional Airfield, and it's a pretty long cross-country flight. I don't want to show you guys the entire flight because that's, frankly, that's kind of boring. But the first part of the episode, the one that you're about to watch, is the run-up with the new airplane, kind of introducing you guys to it and telling you about the flight. The second part of the episode is the arrival into Clinton, and there's some really cool stuff that happened with the weather. Just the whole approach into there was really cool. So stay tuned for part 2. That'll be coming out next week. With that, let's jump into the episode. It's been a minute since I've been able to get a cockpit video out for you guys, but I wanted to introduce you to a new airplane. I'm actually in an airplane that I'm purchasing. It's Cherokee 6221 X-ray. That's Piper Cherokee 140. And it's a good bird. It needs a little bit of work here and there, but overall it's a phenomenal little platform to be able to do what I need to do for the next little while. And it's a cool little airplane. It's a basic VFR bird. I am going to get it IFR certified, but as you can see here in the POV view, just the basic the basic 6-pack. It's a little bit the older style panel. The VSI is over here on the left, altimeter is down here, your DG is up in the middle where the attitude indicator normally would be. So probably going to get the panel like rearranged a little bit. It does have a VOR, but it doesn't have a glide slope or a second VOR. So yeah, there's a few little things overall that need to be done as far as the panel. But it's a great flying airplane. It's a 1968 Cherokee Piper 140. And or a Piper Cherokee 140, and it's got the old style push controls, which I do like. They're a little different than the quadrant, which I'm used to, but I do like them. So anyway, I'm flying down to Clinton today for to do some stuff. It's out close to the panhandle of Oklahoma, and so I want to bring you guys along for this VFR flight. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this aircraft started. It does come with this nifty checklist. I definitely recommend. Again, this isn't flight instruction, but always use a checklist. So anyway, pre-flight inspection is done. I've already done the walk around. I'm out here at Pogue, out just to the other side of Tulsa. So we're going to go ahead and turn the master on. Flip up on like you do with the Warrior, and control lock's been removed. So parking brake is set. I'm just going to use my foot brakes. Seat belts are on. This doesn't have a shoulder belt. Electrical equipment is off. Circuit breakers all check in. Fuel selector is on my left tank, which is not my full tank, but I need to remind myself to swap that over. Mixture is going to go full rich. With this baby, you really just need to give it one pump, so of the throttle, not prime, because it's already hot. So, all right, clear. Turn the magnetos. This starts on the left magneto. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set my destination. That's Charlie, Yuma, Low, enter. It's going to go ahead and get a
position here in a moment. Traffic, Cherokee 6221 X-ray is going to taxi to the run-up area on Alpha for run-up Pogue traffic. Go ahead and lean the mixture out a little bit. Fuel pump off. And we'll give it some power. Winds are calm really right now, so kind of nice. Wingtips are clear, wingtips are clear. And altimeter is about the same.
Sand Springs, Pogue traffic. Comanche 47 Papa entering left downwind. 17 Sand Springs, Pogue.
There's a sweet little Comanche tooling around in the pattern. I'd love to get a Comanche. That would be sweet. And get this microphone to work. All right, go ahead and do our taxi checks here. Rudders are functional, and turn coordinator is working as designed. Brake check. This left brake is a little bit spongy, so I'm going to have that checked out. Just a little bit spongy. I mean, it's not too bad. But yeah, guys, it's just great to be able to get back in the cockpit with you. I've been so busy. It's unbelievable. So just to let you guys know, catch you up, IFR training is going very, very well. Just about wrapped up. Check ride will be very shortly. And then on to commercial. We've been doing a lot of traveling with AOPA, which is awesome. If you're not an AOPA member, you should be. Check them out at aopa.org. Hey, look at this Comanche coming in. Oh, I want a Comanche so bad. Just a sweet airplane. He's even got little tip tanks. That's so cool. Nice landing too. Okay, so just to give you guys an idea, there's some convective activity to the south and west of my destination airport, so we're going to contact Flight Watch once we get up in airborne. And I'm going to cut the cameras off for a lot of the in-route portion just because it's kind of boring. About an hour and 15-minute flight, I think. With the tailwind, I should be doing about 120, 125 knots.
Clear more traffic. Lufkin 4 at Bravo 5 north.
Okay, it's run-up time. Brakes are set. Richen up. I don't really need to richen up the mixture. All right, so here we go. Pull out our checklist. We're going to set the parking brake, which I'm not going to worry about that. Doors and windows closed and locked. We'll do that in a moment. Flight controls. Okay. Ailerons, full deflection, no binding. Stabilator, full deflection, no binding. Mixture, Rich is required, so we're good there. We're going to go for magnetos. Alright, so here we go. 1800 RPM. Left mag drop. Active both. Right mag drop. Back to both. Carb heat. And we're going to do our idle check. And we still got a motor. Okay, fuel pump is off. We're still running, so the engine fuel pump is running fine. Altitude on our squawk, green on our gauges, oil pressure, fuel pressure, and oil temperature. We are going to swap our tanks like I told myself earlier. Make sure everything's good there. Landing light check, and we are charging because it pops. Alright, time off is going to be 11:20. Let's go ahead and set our EG here. Alright, I'll fuse the check-in, airspeed indicator, there's no pitot blockage, I was registering a slight amount there. And we're good to go. Trim, go ahead and set that for takeoff. And we can dispense with our checklist. I'm going to go 10 degrees of flaps. Doors closed and latched. Gonna stitchiate the old self. Big guys in small airplanes. Asked my buddy Nate up in Alaska about that. He's got a 182. Alright, everything's looking great.
Boy, Bravo, 1 mile west.
And we're going to contact Tulsa once we pop up. Pogue traffic, Cherokee 6221 X-ray. It's taking active runway 17 for departure to the west, Pogue traffic. Nobody on the approach end, nobody on the runway. Now, this thing likes to pop off the ground about 55 to 60 knots. It's got those droop wingtips on the end of it. And I'm just going to leave these little windows open for some extra air. You can do that. Alright, we're set to go, full power. And here we go. Right rudder's alive. Watch that center line. Establish a little bit of a 5 degrees nose high and just let the airplane come off the ground. There it goes. Goodbye, Pogue. Catch you on the flip side.
Clear more traffic, Luxon 4 Bravo, crossing midfield from the west. We're bending a left downwind 17, Claremore.
85 is the best climb for this aircraft, so we're going to trim for that. It's got that overhead trim too, which is different from the Warrior. Push the nose over just a little bit. Pogue traffic, Cherokee 622, 1 X-ray is upwind 17, gonna turn, make right departure, right crosswind from 17, Pogue. All engine instruments are looking good, green across the board. And we need to stay below 2,000 before we talk to international, so. Pogue traffic, Cherokee 6221 X-ray is right, crosswind 17, last call, Pogue traffic. Alright, let's get over to Tulsa. Alright, climbing good, we're past 2,000, flaps can go away.
For 2 and X-ray, maintain VFR Tulsa altimeter 3008 and squawk 1126.
1126 on the squawk for 2 and X-ray.
301, proceed direct to Riverside. 2 and X-ray, radar contact 3 southwest of the Pogue Airport, traffic 1 o'clock, 3 miles, altitude indicates 2,500 eastbound, traffic 10 o'clock, 2 miles, maneuvering altitude indicates 3,000.
Okay, we'll keep an eye out for that traffic, 2 and X-ray.
2 and X-ray, and you requested, you said 6,500?
Yeah, we'll head up to 6.5 for 2 and X-ray.
2 1 X-ray, right, to remain at 5,000 or below for now.
5 or below for 2 and X-ray.
878, contact approach 134.7.
Contact approach 134.7. 794 878.
2 Charlie Victor, Kansas City Center 128.6 on.
28.6, see ya, 2 Charlie.
We need to get up above these guys. There's a traffic at 3,000, so we're going to go ahead and get up above his altitude.
2 and X-ray, traffic's 9 o'clock in a mile.
Okay, we got that traffic for 2 and X-ray.
2 and X-ray, roger.
Yeah.
No, 2 and X-ray. The 2,500 foot indicated traffic is at 2,500 feet. He just called the other sector off your nose.
Okay, 500 foot to go.
On 2 and X-ray, Kansas City Center, 127.8. So long.
Over KC, 127.8, 2 and X-ray. All right, check on with Kansas City.
060, Uniform Hotel, checking in 6,000. Gus 6265, Kansas City Center, climb maintain to altitude 10. Number 60, Uniform Hotel, Kansas City Center, Wichita Altimeter 3009er. 3009er, Uniform Hotel.
And KC Center, good afternoon. Cherokee 62 and X-rays, checking in with the 6.2 for 6.5.
November 622, 1 X-ray, Kansas City Center, roger. Oak City Altimeter 3010.
3010 for 21 X-ray.